Hundreds, if not thousands, or even more devotees of the Jesus Nazareno want their own copies, facsimiles, or replicas of the religious icon and its distinct image. So each of them trek to Quiapo Church a week or several days before the procession to have them blessed. Just like today, where devotees came in droves to have their sanctified, as PTV's Rod Lagusad reports.
Around 30,000 people and over 8,000 accredited replicas of the Jesus Nazareno received their blessings in Quiapo Church. And 1 week before the actual feast, the situation has already felt festive following the activity. This is due to the accompanying drum beats of the band along with the replicas, where devotees joyfully join in, making it loud and lively. This is part of the pre-activities ahead of the annual Traslasyon. Aside from the band, there are dancers, fire breathers, and even horses pulling a replica. Early in the morning, Elena's group arrived at Quiapo for the activity. She shared that they came all the way from Bukawi, Bulacan because this event is significant to them as devotees.
Nakilala lang po namin siya nung ipinanig po sa amin, tapos po naramdaman po namin yung presensya niya. Tsaka sa akin po personally, pinagaling niya po ako talaga. Kaya malaki po yung paniniwala ko sa kanya.
For the event, a part of Quezon Boulevard near Quiapo Church was closed and blessing was held at a nearby overpass, unlike in previous years when it was done at Plaza Miranda. According to Reverend Father Robert Arellano, spokesperson for Nazareno 2025, the activity is a manifestation of the devotees' faith. He explained that they recognize their devotion and the role of the Hijos del Nazareno in helping preparing for the feast.
Tayo ay nagbabasbas ngayon upang sa gayon sa pagdating ng kapistahan, wala nang magdadala ng mga imahe at replika.
Unlike previous years when this event would last 2 to 3 days, this year it was reverted to just 1 day due to the lifting of prior restrictions. Father Arellano reminded the devotees to make their celebration of the feast meaningful.
Sa kauna-unang pagkakataon, hindi lang ito selebrasyon sa Quiapo Church, kung hindi ito ay magiging pambansang kapistahan na sa buong Pilipinas. Ibig sabihin, mayroong ding pagdiriwang bawat parokya.
Quiapo Church is in cooperation with the police in prepping for the expected and massive surge of devotees for the Traslasyon. Meanwhile, they are also preparing for the tomorrow's anticipated crowd for the first Friday liturgical celebration for the year 2025. From PTV Manila, Rod Lagusad, Balitang Pambansa.